Hello everyone. So today we are in Delhi. I'm trying to do vlog. बहुत ही natural flow में I'll do it. He is my husband Amit. Let's take you through. Amu, say hi. Hi. Let's take you through the stay in Delhi जहाँ पे अभी हम रुके हुए हैं. और मेरे को feedback suggestions देना आपको ये vlog कैसा लगा. I'm just trying it. Okay. I'm not sure about my angle. Face अच्छा लग रहा है नहीं लग रहा है. I'm wearing my specs today, not lens, but yeah. I'll keep talking and I'll do a tour पीछे से, as in from the back camera, so that you get a clear picture of the property. It's actually very vintagey, very nice, very rustic from what I'm looking at. It's in a very what do you say, one of the posh area in Delhi. We just happened to find this at a very good price, to be very honest, and it's actually very good if you want to have that Delhi experience. For once, why not? Okay, I'll take you through the property and let me know if you like it. This is room number 5 where we are staying. I'll let you know the property details. See, it's very rustic, as I told you. This is the property. It's actually very good. They've given a good 52-inch TV here. There's a projector, there are plates. They also have breakfast options available if you want. And the seats also pretty comfortable. See, all of these is in trend these days. The bamboo thing. Old, rusticy, good for nature. They have given water bottles, and if you want to make tea and coffee, they've given us good patio as well, which we can enjoy. Yeah, it's raining here in Delhi, so see the property here. We have met the owner as well. Is pretty good, decent is what I've understood. Again, this is a separate patio. Here is the bathroom. Just the bathroom is bit outskirts, but outside, but they have given the rooftop here. It feels pretty secure to me. Also, look, it's in a very old Dr. Lane's area, if I'm not wrong. Look at the outside, the planters I'm actually liking. This is snake plants. My mother-in-law actually like planting, so whenever I see good plants I always get reminded of her. But yeah, so yeah, this is a very nice, decent property. You can hear the birds chirping. It's actually music to the ears. बिकॉज अच्छा लग रहा है यार, बर्ड्स की आवाज़ सुन के कॉन्स्टेंटली कोई ना कोई बोले जा रहा है. आई लाइक दिस. अगेन वी एंटर एंड क्लोज दिस बिकॉज अननोन एरिया, यू नेवर नो. So yeah, here's the view of property. Look, the reclining chairs that they have given. It's actually pretty good and comfortable. Say hi. Amu, say hi. He is working thoda sa, then we'll go out, have something. But yeah, these are the recliner chairs as well that they are provided. It's actually pretty good. At Vendors Delhi right now. I had just seen online that they're good with the burgers, sandwiches. So we are here. Also, I've more heard about bakery. So, this is your lunch. What we are having currently. Hello, हम अभी जा रहे हैं एक पॉपुलर नॉर्थ इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट में, हैममोर में. वो वेज जा रहे हैं हम लोग. दिल्ली में बड़ी ठंड हो रही है और मज़ा भी आ रहा है। अभी हम कैब में बैठ गए हैं, बारिश भी हो रही है तो थोड़ी ठंड ज़्यादा हो रही है, बट इट्स फन इन अ वे।
2516।
हाँ, कहाँ जा रहे हैं हम लोग, वापस से बताओ। हैवमोर जा रहे हैं अभी हम लोग नॉर्थ इंडियन खाने के लिए, और दिस इज़ बीन रिकमेंडेड बाय अमित हिमसेल्फ। But I like the vibe. We both actually like the vibe of the area. It's pretty much our vibe. और हर तरीके से you can satisfy yourself in the sense on every level, छोटे से लेके बड़े level. But there's something for everybody. That's the best part about CP. What I actually got to know is, okay, don't mind the quality. Right now I'm shooting in night mode, but it's just the thoughts fluttering right now, so I happen to speak more. So दिल्ली में सीपी में एक बात हमें पता चली कि यहाँ पे ए से लेके जी ब्लॉक है, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, करेक्ट मी, बट बहुत ब्लॉक्स हैं यहाँ पे, और आप चलते ही जाओ, जितना चलोगे उतना कम है, उतना आपको चीज़ें मिलती चली जाएगी, समझ आती जाएगी, बट इट्स ऑल फन एंड गेम, स्पेशली व्हेन यू हैव अ गुड कंपनी लाइक आई हैव, when you have a good company like I have. I enjoy with him a lot whenever we go around. Our vibe matches, so that's the best part. So yeah, I'm with him here, looking around, getting to know the city better. It's actually fun. By the way, there are lots of offers going on and brands around. You can actually get some good quality in a very reasonable price. When I say reasonable, I really mean reasonable. So you can actually check out. I'm telling you, from a middle class mentality, going in big brands, we always used to think, okay, हमारे budget में कभी कुछ भी नहीं मिलेगा. But of course, once you start earning, you get potential, you get थोड़ा सा leeway, you start looking at better things for yourself, right? So when we started going into this brand, I got to know one thing. Of course, look out for sales, winter sale, summer sale, January, Christmas around. You'll of course get great and better deals, and always go into this brands and experience the stuff. Even in good brands, you can get things which are actually quite reasonable, and reasonable, I really mean reasonable, coming from a middle class mentality. लबाबदार मंगाया था, दही के कबाब मंगाए थे, बहुत ज़्यादा एपेटाइट नहीं थी तो एक सर्टेन पोर्शन मंगाया था, बट आई हैव टू टेल, मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगा। हैवमोर, व्हेनेवर यू कम मस्ट विजिट है, अगेन अच्छी जगह है, और अच्छी जगह है, आप आइए यहाँ पे एक्सपीरियंस कीजिए। कुछ तो बहुत रॉयल एक फील है, द एम्बियंस, लोग, हॉस्पिटैलिटी, नॉर्थ में नोबडी कैन बीट द हॉस्पिटैलिटी, इट्स अ गिवन. Food is good, you must come enjoy. Lots of people, lots of foreigners also coming here. I think the place is pretty good. What Amit is saying is Hamor and Gulati are pretty famous here. So if you want to have enjoy a supper, why not? Come, you will like it. So yeah, that's a quick update. And now I'll record from the back camera and show you the view of the area. Okay, cool. See, this is the view, pretty vibrant. It's 10:30ish in the night, and it's a pretty vibrant area. It's in Pandara Road. Though we are here at Pandara Market, one more. They are also in Bikaner House and in Cyber Hub as well. But yeah, we are at Pandara Road Market right now, and it's pretty vibrant as well. Must come. Here it is. Here's the ammo. Bye bye. See you around. Don't mind my angles. I'm learning. Okay, bye bye. Take care. पे रुके हुए हैं, वहाँ पे भी बस एंटर करें, देखिए कितना कोहरा हो रहा है दिल्ली में. एंड दिस इज़ द एंट्रेंस ऑफ द विला. हम अभी अपनी स्टे में है. आई जस्ट थॉट आई वाज डूइंग सम वर्क, सो व्हाई नॉट कनेक्ट विद यू गाइज ऑल्सो. थोड़ा काम कर रही थी मैं. अभी रात के 1:30 बज रहे हैं. but work is work. You have to be there. So I was just working abhi. Need to complete certain tasks of mine so that I can spend the rest of the days peacefully. And any which ways हम लोग कल travel कर रहे हैं तो I'll get time to sleep and all in while we are traveling. तो कोशिश यही है मेरी कि सारा काम मैं कर दूँ. Yeah, so just thought of कि मैं vlog बना रही हूँ तो why not just give an update like this. Warmer is on. Yeah, and it's actually working good. That's the only way I'm sitting here in my t-shirt. Otherwise, it's impossible to be sitting here. अब रजाई में भी बहुत ठंड लग रही है. I'm not used to the ठंड, guys. So मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा लग रही है. But ठंड है. There's a lot of कोहरा here in Delhi. It's raining. और ये भी सुनने में आ रहा है कि अपर हिल में तो बहुत स्नोफॉल भी हो रही है. सो इवेंचुअली इट विल हैव द इफेक्ट हियर. बट मज़ा आ रहा है. दिस इज़ माई फर्स्ट legit first time experiencing दिल्ली की सर्दी. तो मज़ा आ रहा है मुझे तो. God has been kind, of course the hard work, but no complaints, only gratitude. It will all fall into place as my understanding. So yeah, I also मैंने यहाँ पे चाय बनाई थी हमारे लिए. तो हम वो पी भी रहे हैं, काम भी कर रहे हैं. एंड बाय दिस आई एंड द व्लॉग ऑफ दिल्ली. कल हम चलते हैं. कहाँ के लिए जाएंगे हम, जब जाएंगे तब बताएंगे आपको. तब आपसे वापस मिलते हैं. बट फॉर नाउ I'm not sure how to do it, but I'll research a bit. Maybe series बनाएंगे, part 1 part 2 करेंगे. कैसे करेंगे आपको बताते हैं. But for now I'll end the vlog here. See you all soon. Subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment, and keep watching. Bye bye, take care.